EdTech with Howard and Feck with another quick tech tip, how to add a Google Form add-on. Open up a Google Form, and when you are in your Google Form, you're going to click on these three dots. It's a More Options button. We'll have a drop-down menu that pops up. You're going to click on Add-on. This will open up the G Suite Marketplace in which you can search for your app. Now, we only have certain add-ons that have been approved. So if you find an app that you're wanting to test out, please let Laura or I know that you're wanting to test out a possible add-on. So let me find one here. I'm just going to search for one that I know that we have approved, and it is Form Limiter. You can see when I click on it that it has the install. And so all I have to do is click on install. Yes, I'm going to continue to allow for permissions. Choose the account that I want it attached to. Allow for the permissions, and it will install. Now, let me show you what it will look like if you search for a add-on that hasn't been approved. Click done on that. It's installed. It pops up. I'm just going to close that screen for right now. But let's see here. Let's say that I go into form notifications. Form notifications, here it is. You'll see that this one has not been approved because it is not whitelisted for installation by admin. So if you're getting that message, it means it's not an add-on that's been approved. You'll need to contact Laura and I about opening that up, getting it tested out to see if we want to add it to our approved list. All right, so once you have the add-on added to your Google form, you'll notice up here in your toolbar you have it looks like a little puzzle piece that is for your add-on. And when you click on it, it will list all the add-ons that you have available. And we did Form Limiter, so I just click on it, and then you'll see that the add-ons, they normally open up here on the right hand side of the panel, and you just follow the directions and do what you need to do to work with your form.